Hello, I'm Whitney Kapitan, president of the Clinicians Implant Academy. My background in dentistry started after I got laid off at the ripe old age of 23, coming out of college and doing pharmaceutical sales. That was a great thing that happened to me because it led me into the world of dentistry. I started working for a family-owned full-service dental lab that wanted to work and partner with someone who had a little sales experience, but they were willing to train. And that's where the whole journey began. I had some great opportunities with Sherer Dental Lab out of South Carolina, be able to get some educational opportunities through UNC Chapel Hill, through the Spear courses, Dawson courses, and they allowed me to attend everything I could to gain an education. When working with the laboratory doing their sales and marketing for a number of years, I was introduced to an implant company who then recruited me, and I started on board with Zimmer Implants. And that was a great experience to be able to allow for more education and use that foundation from the lab days to transition into a surgical environment. And I fell in love with implant dentistry. All the parts and pieces and helping assistants and helping surgeons and general dentists thrive and grow in their practices to help patients restore teeth. It was truly addicting and I absolutely loved it. Really transitioning into more of a specialty with full arch. And it was my goal to be #1 in the full arch environment, and that's where I landed. Every journey has its ebbs and flows, and after I was able to achieve that goal, I decided to get into practice consulting. And it seemed like a really natural fit to move from consulting and implant dentistry and helping assistants and team members and doctors with parts and pieces to elevating their practice and speaking with patients at a higher level to be able to help those patients achieve their goals. I was able to help build a great deal of revenue for each practice that I consulted with by helping them transform habits and ways to speak with patients. Practice consulting was a great opportunity for me, and then it naturally flowed into where we are today as part of the Clinicians Implant Academy educational experience.